Hello everyone. It's been a couple of months since the Heron of Extraordinary Potential followed us home, and after a lot of work and a lot of help from Anthony Morgan, her builder, we have been hard at work scraping, shaping and shining this lovely little boat into something rather special. So I hope you enjoy these shots as a reminder of where she's come from, and the final video where we can do an official flyover showing you how shiny she has become. What are you doing? Hey. You in the boat? The next few weeks will be milestones in shaping the Heron of Extraordinary Potential. Her rigging and sails are on their way from the Heron Association, by boat, of course, not by courier. And also she has Anthony coming up to help me with her centerboard and her rudder over the next few days. So next stop, fittings, then rigging, and I'm sure I will give you a video update then. So see you next time.